quick unboxing here while I'm camping. Not really anything special, but something new, so I'll show it. Well, new is not the right word. New to me. Bad thing. The seller believes it to have the NH35 movement. I'm not certain. I'll find out at some point. It is hand winding, so it's not a 7S32, I suppose. Feels like the day wheel is trying to move. Let's see if it fits. Got my 4th of July watch on. Just a little tight, and it has one more position, so it looks like it's just going to fit. Alright, this watch was sold as a mod, and the reference number would indicate that it would be blue and have a 7002 movement, which would be no manual winding rather, and no hacking. So it's definitely been modded. It was cheap, and I am planning to mod it myself to go. I'm hoping to do like an orange dial and an orange and blue bezel, but we'll see when I get to that.